Hey everyone, welcome to today's Ultimate Brain Challenge. We've got 20 hilarious and tricky riddles that'll make you laugh, scratch your head, and maybe even learn a thing or two. Can you solve them all? Let's get started. Riddle 1. First up, how many eggs can someone eat on an empty stomach? The answer, just one. After that, your stomach isn't empty anymore. Clever, huh? Riddle 2. What's the difference between Superman and Spider-Man? Superman wears his underwear on the outside, while Spider-Man skips the whole underwear debate and goes full spandex. Priorities. Riddle 3. A caterpillar with 8 legs walks across cow poop but leaves only 6 footprints. Why? Because 2 of its legs were pinching its nose. Even caterpillars know when to avoid the stink. Riddle 4. There are 6 cakes on a plate, and 6 kids each get 1 cake, but there's still 1 left on the plate. How is that possible? The last kid took the whole plate. Cake logic for the win. Riddle 5. It's freezing outside, and a kid refuses to take off their hat indoors. But when they see one specific person, they immediately take it off. Who is this person? The barber. No one messes with a haircut boss. Riddle 6. Why does a newborn baby only have one left eye? Because everyone only has one left eye. You're welcome for the biology lesson. Riddle 7. A man shaves 40 to 50 times a day, but still has a beard. Why? Because he's a barber. The unsung hero of facial hair. Riddle 8. Which month has 28 days? Every single one. This riddle's older than the calendar itself. Riddle 9. What's the one word that everyone mispronounces? The word wrong. Irony at its finest. Riddle 10. A caterpillar comes home and says something that makes its dad faint. What did it say? I want to buy shoes. Imagine the bill for 100 legs. Riddle 11. A plane crashes from the sky, but no one gets injured. How is that possible? Because everyone died. A dark twist, but hey, riddles aren't always cheerful. Riddle 12. What can solve every riddle? The answer. Simple, yet unbeatable. Riddle 13. John takes the elevator to the 14th floor, but walks up to the 16th. Why? He's too short to reach the 16th floor button. Short people's problems are real. Riddle 14. A kid and an adult are walking in the dark. The kid is the adult's son, but the adult isn't the kid's dad. How is that possible? It's his mom. Plot twist. Riddle 15. 2 pairs of fathers and sons go hunting. Each shoots a duck, but there are only 3 ducks. How is that possible? They're a grandfather, father, and son. Family math is tricky. Riddle 16. What's the first step to making your dreams come true? Wake up. Dreams don't chase themselves. Riddle 17. If a rooster lays an egg on a roof, which side will it roll off? Neither side. Roosters don't lay eggs. Classic trick question. Riddle 18. A man weighing 150 pounds has to cross a bridge that can only support 155 pounds. He's carrying two objects weighing 3 and 6 pounds. How does he cross? He tosses one object up while walking and keeps switching. Genius problem solving. Riddle 19. What animal, if you kill it, makes you bleed? A mosquito. Revenge is a dish best served itchy. Riddle 20. When someone knocks on your door, when would you never say come in? When you're in the bathroom. That's the one sacred place. How many riddles did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun challenges. See you in the next video.